My most amazing memories from Singapore, Malaysia, or even in Indonesia is memories of eating this amazing chicken satay. Now, chicken satay is basically meat. It could be, I'm using chicken in this case, it could be lamb, it could be beef, it could be prawns as well. So basically, they are meat which is marinated in different spices and seasoning. People have their own versions, but turmeric is a very important ingredient which is prevalent in all the satays. So we're using nice skinless, boneless chicken breast. I like to use these when I'm serving it at parties because you know what happens is that they cook very easily and they are nice and tender. Nice chicken strips which I'm going to be marinating and threading them on to these bamboo skewers. Now bamboo skewers, you have to soak them in water for a few hours in order for them not to change color. So this is one good hack, is that soak your wooden skewers before you start cooking with them, okay? So we've got these strips. Strips को हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. You know, the origin of kebabs is very interesting. It actually came from Muslim soldiers who actually used to skewer their meat onto their swords. तलवार पे डालते थे, and they used to cook it over the naked fire. Perfect. So we've got these lovely strips. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt into this, a little bit of coriander powder, okay, and I'm going to be adding turmeric. And as I said, that turmeric is one of the most important spices, and I'm going to be using a really nice light soyabean oil here, okay. So a little bit of soyabean oil in here, lovely, beautiful. So salt, coriander, a little bit of turmeric, and that's it. So we're going to be adding about a tablespoon of lemon juice in this. And next what we're going to do, we're going to just skewer them, and then we're going to put this on the side, take the skewers, and then we literally thread it just like that inside, okay? So literally you are putting it together just like this. Beautiful. I'm going to be making a fantastic sweet and spicy peanut sauce for my satay, okay? So pehle, this is called Galangal, which is Thai ginger. If you don't have it, no big deal, इसलिए मैंने ये अदरक रखी है आपके लिए. अगर Galangal नहीं, तो ये सही. But I have both, so I'm going to be adding both of them. So the Thai ginger is a little more sweeter. Perfect. तो हमने गलंगल डाल दिया है, थोड़ा सा अदरक भी डाल देते हैं हम इसमें. Then one of my favorite, ooh, and they are spicy, is fresh chilies. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 fresh Thai chilies over here. I've got some nice Mathania chilies. Okay, I've got some nice red chilies. These are from Rajasthan, but you can use any kind of red chilies which you have. तो मैंने इसे सिंपली गर्म पानी में थोड़ा सा उबाला था और ये थोड़ी सी सॉफ्ट हो गई है. तो अभी मैं ये जो है इसको हम इसमें डाल देते हैं, और ये जो मिर्ची का पानी जो है ये भी इसमें डाल देते हैं. थोड़े से शलॉट्स यानी कि मद्रास अनियंस और पर्ल अनियंस. I've got about 7 or 8 shallots, okay, equal to about 1 medium-sized onion, literally. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 cloves of garlic. This is one of another beautiful ingredient which is called lime leaves, kaffir lime leaves. Beautiful, very nice, very fresh aroma and taste. So उसको थोड़ा सा हम lime leaves में डालते हैं इसमें. Lemongrass, which is one of backbone of Asian cooking. I'm just bashing. You have to bash the lemongrass, okay? तो हमने ये lemongrass डाल दी इसमें. Unsalted, बिना नमक के सेके हुए peanuts, roasted peanuts, okay? About half a cup, about 50 to 60 grams, I would say. That's it. Perfect. ये जो हमारी spice paste जो ready है, remember we put enough oil into it, so I don't really need to put any oil. The idea is that we just cook this out a little bit. तो बिल्कुल no wastage. सब खींच लिया हमने पानी के साथ. Perfecto. Start off with 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder, just 1 big teaspoon of sweet soya sauce, which is also called ketchup manis. थोड़ी इमली का पेस्ट जो हमने बनाया, इमली का पानी, इसमें अभी हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी नमक, just a little bit to adjust it, and I'm just adding a touch of red chili powder in this. So it's time to make a quick झटपटा सा cucumber salad, because what, कुछ crunchiness तो चाहिए उसके साथ, and normally they do serve you pickled vegetables along with the fried prawn crackers along with this. So I'm just actually ये जो seedless cucumbers को हम थोड़ी सी ribbons में काट रहे हैं अभी. जो मेरे पास lime leaves जो बचे हैं, chili, beautiful. हल्की सी नमक, थोड़ा सा विनेगर, हल्का सा सोया सॉस, lovely. Wow! So marinated ayam satay, chicken sticks, lovely. Chicken satay, ayam satay, ready. Buon appetito!